computer science teacher Hera. Today we are covering our assignment number 2. Okay, now open your books. Chapter number 1, the nature of technology, computers every day. Students, in this chapter we will study what a computer is, things we can do with a computer, how computers help us. Okay, now open the page number 4. Students, before covering our assignment number 2, is there anyone who can tell me what is a computer? Yes. Computer is an electronic device through which we solve our problems. We do different things just like painting, searching, making our documents, making a spreadsheet, reports with the help of a computer. Computers nowadays we are using in every day, through which we're solving our problems. We are doing different activities. Maybe you have seen computers at the airports, you've seen the computers in your at your homes, in your schools. Every computers have their different functions. Okay, uh, is there anyone who can tell me what is abacus? Have you seen the abacus? Basically abacus is a wooden frame through which we do our calculation. Most of you maybe use abacus at your childhood. You play with them. It is a wooden block on which beads are there. With the help of these beads we do our addition and subtraction. And basically abacus was the first computer. Abacus basically generated the idea of developing a computer. Okay, now how we can use a computer with safely? How you can handle the computer, it will not harm you. First of all, when you use a computer, always use a computer under the supervision of your elder ones. If you are at school, may use the computer under supervision of your teachers. If you are at home, use the computer under supervision of your parents. Your elders means siblings. Okay, you have to use a golden rule for using a computers at school or at home. And you have to make a poster of your rules and paste it in front of your wall if you are using at your home, or if you are using at your school, that golden rules must be written in your notebooks. Okay, okay student, is there anyone who can tell me what is a technology? Technology is a machine, man-made machine we develop to solve our problem, just like a computer. Computer is a machine which do things quickly. Just like this, with the help of technology we solve our problems. We work, we talk, we play with the help of the technology. Right now I am connecting you with the help of technology. This is also part of technology. You are at your home, I am at school, but even though we are learning, we are covering our assignment with the help of technology. Is there anyone who can tell me 5 things which you are seeing around your room which is fall in the category of technology? Yes, cell phones, very good. Anything else? Tablets, very good. Laptops, very good. Internet, very good. Without internet we can't access the lectures which we are delivering to you. Okay, very good students. This is the part of a technology. As I am saying that a computer is an electronic device which help us to solve a problem, but computers has different parts. Just like we have a parts in our body: hand, nose, eyes, ear, teeth. Every parts have different functions. Just like computers have different parts which help the computer to solve the problem. Just like a keyboard, with the help of keyboard we enter the data. With the help of mouse we point the things. Keyboard and mouse are two things which are fall in the category of input devices. There are other input devices, but right now I am just telling you 2 input devices: keyboard and a mouse. Input devices are those devices, students, through which we enter our data. And monitor is called output. Why it called output? Output is a thing through which we see a result. Monitor shows the result, just like a TV screen, just like our LEDs we are using at our homes. These are called the parts of a computer. Have you seen the laptops? They're also used to connect the are used to solve the problems, are used to use the technology, but they're quite different from the computers, not in functionality but in looks. Yes, computers are the same parts as computer has. It also has a keyboard, it also has a mouse, it also has a screen, but it is a portable thing. Portable things is a thing through which is we can take anywhere. Maybe you have seen your fathers, your brothers, your siblings are using laptops. Maybe your aunts, uncles are using laptops. They can take it anywhere, at homes, at schools, at offices, anywhere they want to use the laptop. They can just pick and they can open and start using the laptops. It is quite different from the computers in appearance, but they have same functionalities, and it is also fall in a technology category of technology. Students, now I am giving you a little activity. You have to draw a picture of a computer in which you have to show a screen, the mouse in the keyboard. Okay, and your activity number 2 is you have to make a list of a technology, 5 things which fall into a category of technologies which help you in every day of life. Okay, now you have to complete your task and you have to send it to me before the deadline. Hope you will now you can easily attempt your assignment number 2. Thank you so much. Stay at your home and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.